If you're over 60 and your legs feel cold, heavy, numb, or weak, listen closely. Poor circulation after 60 doesn't just make walking uncomfortable. It can triple your risk of falling. And here on Informative Zone, I need to tell you something most people never hear. One specific drink can jumpstart blood flow in your legs in just hours. Not days, not weeks, hours. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what happens inside your legs within the first 24 hours of drinking it. You'll feel warmth coming back. That pins and needle sensation fades. And to make this crystal clear, I've ranked 10 common drinks from worst to best, so you know which ones actually help and which ones are complete waste of your time. The number one drink on this list can widen your arteries by about 30%. That's the difference between shuffling to the bathroom at night and walking with confidence. The difference between ice cold, numb feet, and legs that finally start working the way they should. And here's the shocker. It's probably already sitting in your kitchen, but almost everyone drinks it the wrong way. Stay with me, because what I'm about to explain goes against much of what you've likely been told. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why your circulation may have gotten worse even though you followed all the so-called expert advice. Let me show you what's really happening inside your legs right now. After age 60, your blood vessels produce about 70% less nitric oxide. 70%. Nitric oxide is the key molecule that keeps your arteries relaxed and open. When nitric oxide drops, your blood vessels don't just tighten, they shrink, stiffen, and narrow. Blood has a harder time reaching your feet. This isn't just about cold toes. When circulation declines, everything starts to break down. Your muscles don't get enough oxygen. Waste products build up. Nerve damage speeds up. And here's the most dangerous part. Tiny microclots begin forming in those narrowed vessels. You can't see them. You can't feel them. But they build up silently every single day. Most doctors will tell you to take aspirin, walk more, or elevate your legs. And yes, those can help a little. But they're treating symptoms, not the root cause. The real issue is collapsing nitric oxide production. And here's the good news. That collapse is not inevitable. It's reversible. But you need to understand the science before we get to the drinks. Certain drinks force your body to start making nitric oxide again, not through magic, but through basic biochemistry backed by more than 3,000 clinical studies. Your body converts specific compounds in these drinks directly into nitric oxide. When that nitric oxide floods your system, your arteries relax within minutes. That process is called vasodilation. Your blood vessels opening up like highways instead of staying clenched like narrow alleyways. When this happens, blood flow to your legs can increase by 40 to 60% in a single day. You feel it fast. The heaviness eases. The cramping settles down. Your feet start warming up. And over the next few weeks, real healing begins. New capillaries form. Nerve function improves. And your fall risk drops sharply. But this is critical. Not all circulation drinks are equal. Some are scams. Some work, but come with real downsides. And a few are absolute game changers that cost us penny per serving. I spent 6 months reviewing the research, talking with vascular specialists, and testing these myself. Let's rank all 10, starting with the weakest. Drink number 10, plain water. Yes, hydration matters. Dehydration thickens your blood and slows circulation. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Water alone barely helps circulation after 60. Research published in the Journal of Applied Physiology shows hydration improved blood flow by only about 8% in older adults. 8% is not enough when nitric oxide production has dropped by 70%. Water contains no nitrate compounds and doesn't trigger vasodilation. It just keeps things from getting worse. Think of it as preventing a breakdown, not fixing the engine. You still need it, but don't expect results. Score, 2 out of 10. Drink number 9, green tea. Green tea is constantly praised, and yes, it contains catechins that support vascular health. But for leg circulation, the effect is modest. Studies show green tea improves blood vessel function by about 12%, better than water, but still limited. The compound works slowly over months, not hours. Miss a few days and the benefit fades. On top of that, caffeine can actually constrict blood vessels in some people. Green tea is great for antioxidants and brain health, but it's not a fast or powerful fix for leg circulation after 60. Most people also brew it wrong. Boiling water destroys about half the catechins. You need water around 170 degrees max score. 3 out of 10. Drink number 8, tart cherry juice. Now we're improving. Tart cherry juice contains anthocyanins that reduce stiffness in blood vessels. One study showed an 18% improvement in blood flow after 12 weeks. The problem is sugar. 1 cup contains about 30 grams, which spikes insulin and can temporarily hurt circulation. It's also expensive. It works, but slowly, and it's risky if you have diabetes or prediabetes, which many people over 60 do. If you use it, dilute it heavily and drink it only in the morning. Score 4 out of 10. Drink number 7, pomegranate juice. Stronger than cherry juice. It protects nitric oxide from breaking down too fast. Studies show about a 22% improvement in blood flow and even plaque reduction over time. The downside is the same: sugar and cost. Pomegranate juice can work, but there are better, cheaper options ahead. Score 5 out of 10. Drink number 6, cocoa drinks made from real cocoa powder. The flavonols in cocoa significantly boost nitric oxide. A large analysis found an average 24% improvement in blood flow, with effects starting within 2 hours. You feel it: warmer legs, less tingling. But this only works with pure, unsweetened cocoa powder. Sugar ruins the benefit. Use stevia or monk fruit instead. Score 6 out of 10. Drink number 5, watermelon juice. This is where things get serious. Watermelon is packed with L-citrulline, which your body converts directly into nitric oxide. Studies show nearly a 28% improvement in arterial function. Many people feel warmer feet within hours and less leg heaviness within days. The only issue is availability. Fresh watermelon juice isn't always convenient year-round. Score 7 out of 10. Drink number 4, hibiscus tea. Criminally underrated. Hibiscus improves endothelial function, the inner lining of your blood vessels. Studies show about a 31% improvement in blood flow, often within days. It's cheap, fast, and effective. The only caution is blood pressure. If you're already on medication, talk to your doctor first. Score 8 out of 10. Drink number 3, celery juice. Packed with natural nitrates. 1 glass can increase blood flow by up to 40% within hours. The science is solid. Drink it fresh, on an empty stomach, first thing in the morning. The taste isn't great, but the results are. Score 8.5 out of 10. Drink number 2, arugula smoothies. Arugula has the highest nitrate content of any leafy green. Studies show over 40% improvement in blood flow. Results are dramatic, but it requires daily prep and commitment. Score 9 out of 10. Drink number 1, beetroot juice. This is the gold standard. Beets deliver a massive nitrate load your body converts into nitric oxide with incredible efficiency. Blood flow can increase 30 to 50% within hours. Studies in older adults show dramatic improvements in leg circulation, walking endurance, and reduced pain in just weeks. Drink 8 ounces every morning on an empty stomach. Pure beet juice only. Yes, your urine might turn pink. It's harmless. If you have kidney stone issues, talk to your doctor. For most people over 60, this is the single most powerful circulation drink available. Score 10 out of 10. Here's how to use this. Start with beetroot juice every morning. Add hibiscus tea or celery juice later in the day if you want faster results. Stay consistent. Within days, your legs feel warmer. Within weeks, walking improves. Within a month, the change can be dramatic. Circulation decline isn't inevitable. Your body isn't broken. It's missing the right fuel. Fix that, and your legs can come back to life. This is Informative Zone, and now you know exactly where to start.